3.
Mr. Spruill here. Today we are going to learn how to make snowflakes out of paper plates. First thing you do, you get your paper plate just like this. I want you to fold it in half. Not hard to do, just fold it right in half. It's going to look just like that. Fold it in half again. It's going to look just like this. Pretty easy to do. Now, you got to fold it one more time. The cool thing about these snowflakes is none of them look the same. Take a pair of scissors, make you some cuts. Both sides of your snowflake, your folded paper. Then you want to make you some cuts on your rounded edges here. Now let's open it up and see what it looks like. You've got a real nice looking snowflake. Now, here comes the fun part. You want to spread it out. Take some glue. You want to always start on the inside, because if you work from the outside in, you're going to get glue on yourself. So, just start, go around the cutouts that you made. You don't have to do perfectly, just go around them. I'm doing this pretty fast. You might be a lot neater than me. Then the last step is you want to go around maybe your outside edge. Okay. Then you want to choose maybe your favorite color glitter. I think I'll choose this color right here. Doesn't take a ton of glitter. Just lightly shake it over all your glue. Then shake off your excess glitter, and you've got a real pretty snowflake. Here's a couple others that I made pretty quickly. See? No two snowflakes are alike. Thank you very much for watching this. Let's have fun making these today.